Hi everyone! Today we're going to be doing a video on using Merch Wizard for Redbubble. So Merch Wizard can be used for a lot of different platforms. It doesn't have to be for just merch. So as you can see on my screen, I'm on Redbubble and I uploaded that same design that I've been using on all the videos right here. So you just click upload. You can get the PNG by clicking on the icon for Merch Wizard. I'll go ahead and do that now. And then if you scroll down, this is the PNG. You just click on download it right there and it'll show up for you to upload. So you go ahead and upload it there. It automatically populates to all of these different products. So many more products than Merch has. And it'll let you repeat the pattern. So for leggings and for some of these other products, I went ahead and repeated the pattern because I thought it looked cool that way. So like the bedspread has a repeating pattern, the leggings, and then some of them have just the pattern by itself, like this drawstring bag and the journal. So it lets you do all those different options. Look at how many products, so many products. And then when you come down here to the title, I had already put in the title, sorry about that, but you just click here on Merch Wizard icon. And I'll just do it again so you can see. You click that little green box next to title, that automatically copies it. And then you go over here, I'll just erase that, and just do Control V for paste. And there you go, that's the title. I don't include t-shirt on here because these titles are gonna go for all the different products. So I try to keep it just generic and not relating to the product, just relating to the design. So then you click the Merch Wizard icon again. And for the description, I just scroll down to description. So the way I've been doing my merch listings is the description is the two other bullet points and the title. It's all of it. So if you just copy description right here, then you can just go right over here, hit paste, and it's all right there. I just take out this first line. You don't need the title in there. And then anything that says t-shirt. And that's it. So your description's ready to go. And then tags, again, click the Merch Wizard icon and click on tags. Copy and paste. And that's it. You just listed very, very quickly all of these products. How fast was that? That's amazing. So you did all that, and then that's it. Just hit save work. No, it's not mature content. There we go. Save work. All right, and you have the right to sell it. All right, there we go. We listed it. All right, thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, just post it in the comments below, and I'll be sure to answer. Thanks, guys.